What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Supermoto Bros. That's right, we're installing the Yoshi pipe RS4. Look at that sexy beast. This thing, maybe, I'm thinking like 7-8 pounds. This stock one, Jesus man, this thing weighs like 20 pounds. Maybe not 20, but I bet you it's like 15. That thing is heavy, so that's going to be a nice upgrade. We got the warp 9s on there. Look at that sexy beast. So I didn't do a video on that because it's pretty easy. You just pull it out, take your brakes off, pull the big old bolt out, put your tire on, and you do the same in the back, except you have a chain right there, right there. But yeah, so right now it's straight piped. We're gonna rock it real quick, see how loud it is, and then we're gonna throw the exhaust on there. You guys know what the stock sounds like. Crap! Okay, she's loud.